Heading home for Christmas. Been here for 23 days. Got a few days off. Back here on the 28th. Snow out here in Ashland. So I thought I'd take a roll through Highway 99 north out of Ashland and show some of the devastation. This is why we're here, doing these RV inspections for FEMA. So all this area burned out, and there are several hundred people without homes. And we're trying to get them in before the holidays. So this area out here on my right is the Bear Creek Greenway. The fire just followed this greenway all the way up about 12 miles, just parallel with Interstate 5 and Highway 99. Here's some homes that burned, and took out about, I think it ended up being about 1,200 homes or 1,600 homes. Into the town of Talent. So here's some businesses, and it's kind of an industrial area down here, but there are houses throughout, kind of scattered throughout the businesses. So here's that was an RV, or not an RV park, but a mobile home park. More businesses there. Another RV park, or mobile home park back there. And down there, those are all homes. That entire neighborhood down there burned. Mobile home community there. And over on this side, another mobile home community. So this is the town of Phoenix, and again the greenway goes right through the middle of town, and a lot of loss. Creekside Estates, that was a mobile home park. This was an RV park here. This is the greenway, and Bear Creek is right down there, and you can see the RV parks down there, the mobile home parks down there, and Bear Creek right there. This was the old Phoenix Motel. And then this is getting right onto I-5 here at the Greenway. So there's another two more mobile home parks out that way that burned. We'll get back up onto I-5 here. So that's why we're here, trying to get all the wildfire survivors back into some type of a temporary home so they can find something a little bit more permanent. So I'll be back in about a week, get back at it, get more RVs out to these people. Can have all that devastation in one direction and looking out the next direction, the other side of the highway is just absolutely gorgeous. Right down in that area, it's hard to see with the glare, but that's where the fire actually started. It's right down in that area. On the Siskiyou Pass, Mount Ashland turnoff. Well, .4,310 feet. Alright, so I guess that's about it for this video. Kind of a short one, but got a couple hours of driving left to get home. See the family. I haven't seen them in almost a month, so I'm gonna try to enjoy the rest of this drive and I get to see my family. So I hope all you out there have a Merry Christmas and a great New Year, and we'll see you on the next video. Later.